driver making an improper right turn on red.
God, it's brutal out here.
Then after that, while continuing to drive through town, I noticed numerous drivers without their headlights on in the fog. Surely these drivers would want other people to see them, but I don't know. My rear camera was falling at this time, but the Sienna driver that had been tailgating me was hesitating to pass, but then decides to cut me off at the very last second. I actually had to swerve to the side to avoid a collision here. This next one is a bit difficult to see, but a Nissan driver with no headlights on is going to make an unlawful turn on red, making this the most dangerous right turn on red violation that I have ever seen. Somebody is always distracted at this intersection, which is why I usually avoid it. This time it's a Wisconsin driver.
Go! Stupid Wisconsin driver.
You know there's not going to be any compliance for the headlights when you see a trucker out here doing the same thing. The taillights on this trailer are not working. This is something that all truckers must inspect before even leaving on their trip from the jump. And then after that, we are going to see two drivers that were involved in the crash, probably as a result of just being plain old stupid today. Minivan driver crowds me out in my attempt to change lanes to get around these sorry drivers. Time for some tailgaters. The driver of this Chevy Malibu is tailgating me in the right-hand lane because I am doing the posted speed limit. I tap my brakes accordingly along with the beat of the song that I'm listening to without slowing down. After that, he finds another driver to tailgate. Now we have a BMW driver tailgating me in the left-hand lane for doing the posted speed limit. This is a surface highway, so therefore the left lane passing rules do not apply, especially when the left lane is required to remain on this route. The only requirement is to not impede the flow of traffic, which can only be done by driving under the posted speed limit alongside another driver that is also driving under the posted speed limit. I just wanted to clear that up. likely also was tailgating, does something very reckless and stupid.
Whoa, now that's stupid.
And now for the final act of stupidity for the day. This just made no sense.
Why do you think that was a good idea? Still behind the car. Now you go back over there where you came from. Stupid.
And that is it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Here's a preview of the next episode. And it's 2024 now. Let's have this be the year that we stop doing dumb crap on the roads. I know we can do it. Let's go.